Hey artists, it's Ms. Messer, your friendly neighborhood art teacher. And I'm really excited because we've been talking about weaving, we've been talking about kente cloth, and today we're going to start weaving our painted papers together. So you're going to have a piece of paper that looks a little bit like this. It's folded in half, and on the inside is your warm colored painting, probably your warm colored painting. Um, and on the outside, one side is blank, the other side has some lines on it. On the side that has lines on it, keeping it folded, you're going to grab a pair of scissors and you're going to cut right on the fold. You're going to cut on the white line until it stops. Do not cut it all the way off. I know someone's going to. Don't be that person. You're cutting until the line stops. When the line stops, you stop. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean. There we go. I've got one. I'm going to finish the rest off screen. Give me just one moment. Okay, everybody. So I just want to show you what I've got here so far. Everything has been cut, but not cut off. It's currently still folded. Now I'm going to open it up and I've got my warm colored painting that I can see. Over here on my other side, I have my cool colored strips. So at your table, you should have plenty of these strips. Okay, the rule for weaving is over, under, over, under. It sounds easy, and it is easy, but it does take a minute to get the hang of it. So it's okay if it doesn't immediately happen. Ms. Messer is here to help. So what I mean by over under is this first strip that I cut right here, I'm going to go over it first. And then I'm going to go under the next one. I slide under, and then I go over the next one and under the one after that and over this one and under the next one and over this last one. And then I'm going to push it up until I can't push it up anymore. So I'm going to make sure it's nice and straight. Then I'm going to grab another strip. And just like I said, it's over, under, over, under. That's true, except I have to switch it every row. So last row I started with over. This row I'm going to start with under. So I'm going to go under this first strip, then I go over the next strip. Then I go under and then over. And then under and then over. And then I push it all the way up. Okay, so you can see it's starting to get like a checkerboard pattern. You want to see that checkerboard pattern. If you have something that looks exactly like the row you just put in, like this, if you got two things right next to each other, you're doing it wrong. And I want you to peel that one out and keep going. So last one we started with under. Now we're going to go back to that first row and we're going to do over first, then under, then over, then under, then over, then under. All right, so that looks great so far. Let me grab a bottle of glue to show you how to finish it. Okay, so mine is, here's my bottle of glue. Mine is not yet finished. I'm gonna keep weaving, going over, under, and under, over, all the way down till I can't fit any more strips. When I'm at that point though, I'm gonna show you what to do next. All you have to do to finish this, to make sure everything stays in place, is you just take your dot of glue and you put one little dot, peel up the edge, and then press it down and count to 5. And then you're going to do this over here, same deal. And I also want you to flip it over and do it on the back so that it's extra secure. And that is all there is to weaving. I know you're going to do a great job. Stick with it if it's difficult for you. If you get it on the first try, you can be helping other people. I can't wait to see what you make.